Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to be working on the front elevation of this building drawing. So as we have constructed the plan, so now we want to construct the front elevation. So what we are going to do first, as we have here, is to draw the ground level line. So the ground level line, so we draw this, and then as we are looking at this building in this direction, so we are going to see the edge of this wall here at this point. We are going to see this window, then we see this window here with these doors. Then we are going to see the edge of this wall, the edge of this wall here. Then we also see this window. Then we see the edge of the wall here. We see these two windows, then we see the edge of the wall here. So those are the things that we are going to put in the front elevation with the roof. Do not forget that we have a beam here. So there's a beam here, so which we are also going to show. So let's see how this can be done. So what I need to do is to draw a line from this point. So from this point here, for the edge of the wall here, I will draw a vertical line down here. Okay. Then for this window, I will also transfer it. So just draw a vertical line down here, and also for the distance, so draw a vertical line down. Okay. Then we also have a window at this point here in the front in the plan. So we have to show it in the front elevation. So here we draw a vertical line down. Then we also draw a vertical line down here. Okay. Then for the doors, so we have to draw a vertical line down here, and here we also draw a vertical line. Then here we draw a vertical line. So this vertical line that we are drawing here is also for the edge of the wall. So then we come here, we draw a vertical line down. Then so coming here, so we have a window here. So here we draw a vertical line, and we also draw a vertical line down here. Then we have two windows here. So here we draw a vertical line, and then so we draw a vertical line down, and here we also draw a vertical line. Okay. Then for the edge of the wall here, so we draw a vertical line. Alright, so with all that we have done here, so we are going to take a measurement for the floor level. So for the floor level, I'm going to take a measurement. Okay, so I'm going to take a measurement of, so for the floor level, I will take a measurement of 1 millimeter up. Then I will draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so let's indicate the ground level. So this is the ground level, so you write ground level here, that is GL. So you write it here, and then so we now need to go to the floor to ceiling height. So floor to ceiling height, as we have here, so where they put it? Okay, so they put the floor to ceiling height here under the roof, and they said it is 3,150. 3,150. So 3,150 divided by 100 will give us 31.5. So approximately 32. So from the floor level, so you take a measurement of 32 millimeters. So take 32 millimeters. So this is 32 millimeters here. So here we draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line like this. Alright, so having drawn this floor to ceiling height, so next thing that we need to do is to get the angle. So the angle, or the pitch angle. So as we have here, pitch gable at 30 degree slope. So we are going to take our 30 degree set square. So we take our 30-degree set square. So we are going to from this point here, from this point, so you have to draw a line in this direction. Then so you turn it to this side, so you also draw a line in this direction. So wherever the two lines intersect, so they intersect at this point, so we are going to draw a horizontal line through this point like this. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to take the east projection. So the east projection that was used, which I've been looking for it in these specifications, it is not stated. So I'm going to take it as 5 millimeters. Though in the floor plan I wanted to take it as 10, but I found out that that 10 will be too much. So I'll be using 5 millimeters for the east projection. So I'll just take a measurement. So from this point here, so I will take a measurement of 5 millimeters for the east projection on this side here. Okay, so I will also take 5 millimeters for the hips, so around here. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line like this, and here I will also draw a vertical line like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is to take the width of the fascia board. So for the fascia board, as we have here, so they said it is 25 by 250 mm. So that would be 2.5. So I'm going to take 3 millimeters for the fascia board. So from this point here, so take a measurement of 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. This is 3 millimeters. So I'm going to draw horizontal line, so which I will make thick. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, so this line also I'm supposed to make it a thick line. Okay, so we make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then I'm going to extend this line a little bit, because the roofing material, it goes a little bit beyond the ceiling. It goes a little bit beyond the ceiling. So I'll just take a measurement of like, so 2 millimeters here, and here also I will take 2 millimeters from this point, so to this side here. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So the vertical line, so will be a thick line, so from here up like this, and also from here up like this. Okay, so I need to make this complete thick line, and this also be a thick line. Alright, so then, okay, alright, so then we need to, for the ridge cap, so ridge cap is also here. So just come up here and take a measurement of so let's take 2 millimeters for that, for the ridge cap. So take 2 millimeters. So just draw horizontal line. So horizontal line from here to here for the ridge cap. Okay, then you come up here. So you also make this line a thick line for the ridge cap. Okay, so now, so we have completed the roof. This is how the roof will look. So, but then before we go on, so at this point we have, this is an edge of the wall. So it means that this line, we are going to make it a thick line. So make this line a thick line down from here to here. Okay, so also, so we also have an edge of a wall here. So this line here, we are going to make it a thick line like this. So then we are going to see from this corner here. So I need to produce this line as a vertical line, because this is an edge of the wall. So we need to make it, we need to draw it down. So like this. Okay, so I'm going to make this a thick line. So from here to here. Okay, it's an edge of a wall. Also, this line will be a thick line because this is an edge. It's from an edge of a wall. So this point here. So also this line will be a thick line as an edge of the wall. So like this. Okay. So this point here we also have a thick line here. So we also have a thick line at this point. It's also an edge of a wall like this. Okay, so with all that we have done here, alright, so the next thing that we are going to do here, as I said that there is a beam here, so we need to show it here in the front elevation, that is from here to here. But we need to look at the specification for the beam here. So they said specification, beam 225 by 25 reinforced concrete at 2,400 above floor finish level, above finished floor level. So so what we are going to do is that from the floor level here, we are going to take a measurement of 24 millimeters. So if you divide 2,400 by 100, so we have 24. So this is 24 here millimeters. So here we are going to draw. So we draw horizontal line here. So from here to here we draw horizontal line. So make it a thick line. So this is how the beam, this is how it will look. So that's the beam. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to put the door and the window. But we have a window here, we have another window here, so we have this door here. So let's put the door first. So for the door, as we have here, so the dimensions for the door, we have 2,100 by 900 by 38. So we are only showing using this 2,100, so which is 21 if we divide by 100. So just take a measurement of 21 millimeters from the floor level up. So 21 millimeters. So this is 21 millimeters here. So I will just draw a line from here to here. Okay. So then I'll make this a thick line. So making this a thick line. Okay. So here also I'll make this a thick line. Alright, so so what type of door do we have? As it is said here that the type of door that we have here is flush wooden door. So flush wooden door. So we can leave the surface as it is now. So I'll just put something here like this for the door. So that's it. So and then so we go for the windows. So for the windows, so the window, the dimension is 600 by 600 as we have here, so which is 60 millimeters, and we have taken 6 millimeters. So from here to here, so from here to here is 6 millimeters. We have taken that off. From here to here is 6 millimeters, which we have done already. So all I need to do is to create the window here. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line because the doors and the windows that are the same level in the upper part. So I'll just draw a horizontal line because I seem to draw other doors, other windows. So I'll just take a measurement of 6 millimeters down here. So here I will take 6 millimeters. Okay. So this is 6 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line again. So those are the places where I have the window. So what I need to do now, so I'll make this line, so a thick line. Okay. And so we have one window here. So we have two windows here. So this also, I'll make this a thick line. Make this a thick line. Alright, so the type of window that we have here, they said it is all windows, they are sliding glazed search in aluminum frame. So okay, so I'm going to divide this into two. Okay, so divide this into two. I will also divide this into two. Then, so this will be divided into two because it's a sliding window, so it will be in pair. Okay, then, so I can just break this down into two like this. Okay. Alright, so and just leave it like this. So alright, so then for the floor, so when we are looking at the building in this direction, we are not going to see the floor inside this bedroom. So we need to make this the floor line here, we need to make it short dashes line. Okay, because we can't see the floor. The floor is inside. Likewise here too. So we need to make this floor line short dashes line. We cannot see the floor. The floor is inside the building, so we can't see it on this part. So likewise here. Okay, so for this part, so we can see the floor level, so we need to make this a complete thick line. Then here we can see the floor level, so we draw it with short dashes line. Okay, so this is the front elevation. This is how the front elevation will look. As simple as I've done it here. Practice and you master it. Thank you and God bless you.